Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome back to this new video on Conflux. Wanted to show you some interesting statistics on Conflux. Talk a little bit about the project, about my view and my thoughts on it, both for the short term and the long term. But obviously, what we'll also do is an in-depth technical analysis. All right, we'll take a look at what's going on right now. What you can see right now is that we're at this major resistance level around 34 cents, and we're trying to break above that, but we haven't been able to do so. So we'll talk about whether we can still do that, kind of what to expect, what is the current market structure, are we bullish, are we bearish? We'll talk about all of it. So if you're interested in that, make sure to stick around. I do these updates fairly regularly, so if you want to be updated on that as well, make sure to subscribe. But for now, before we get into Conflux, if you want to receive daily trading signals, so also trade setups on Conflux, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. So now onto Conflux. So first of all, what I wanted to talk about is yesterday someone said that the all-time high of Conflux is very far away, so $1.4. And whether we can still get there. And I'm actually not sure, because what is interesting is that right now, even though 1.4 is way up above our current price, the market cap right now is actually around the same levels. And that all has to do with circulating supply. Since that time of the last all-time high, the circulating supply went up by like 1.2 billion tokens. And yeah, that really goes to show how strong inflation sometimes is, and it can really dilute your investment. So for Conflux, it's not the worst thing in the world, because inflation also creates incentives to use the network. And Conflux, either way, I think can still reach its all-time high, by the way, even if we have more inflation. Because I think the value of the project has increased so massively since the start of this year with all of their partnerships and developments. But yeah, that's a quick opinion on Conflux from me. If we take a look at the technicals, what you'll see is that we've been trying to break out above this 0.382 FIB, which it also is, and 34 cents level for a long time. This is perhaps the strongest level right now that we're dealing with. This level right here, let's say between 33.5 cents and 34 cents. And I am not sure if we can break above that, to be honest. I even think that right now, if you zoom out, we are actually still bearish. Like we've just received a little bit of bullish momentum here, but we haven't even broken above the 382 FIB, which for me is really one of the first kind of criteria to say that we are no longer bearish. So, and what you can see right now as well, if we zoom in, so we're really doing in depth, is that you have this 200 EMA around 33.5 cents, and we've also, even though yesterday we were still above that, we've also had a bearish breakout through that. So what I expect in general over the weekend, luckily there's not a lot of momentum usually, not a lot of movement. But what I expect is that we'll see some bearish movement towards these levels right here at around 32 and 31 cents. I think we will hold that, and then whether we can still break above 34 cents or not, all depends on Bitcoin. I think there's quite a big chance that Sunday evening or Monday morning we'll see some bullish momentum coming from Bitcoin. All right, so that will go up to 29,700, for example. If that's the case, then I think Conflux can break above 34 cents and become bullish again. So then our first price target is probably 36 cents. But that really needs to happen. I do not think Conflux can do it on its own. So if we do not get that, Conflux will just stay in some sort of a consolidation between 30 cents and 34 cents ultimately. And then we'll see again. I mean, as I said, I update Conflux quite regularly, so check that out. But for now, because I do expect bullish momentum from Bitcoin, this is my most likely scenario. But I do want to really highlight and tell you that it does really depend on that momentum coming from the market. So this is my take and my thoughts on Conflux for now. If you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.